clinical herbalist Mitch Coven, driven by his personal quest for the meaning of wellness, started Vitality Works in 1982 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It started as a cutting-edge health clinic with 6 holistic practitioners where Mitch compounded and extracted custom herbal formulations to help each of his clients. As Mitch witnessed clinical success after success over many years from his herbal protocols, he standardized formulations, process, quality, and potency, and he gained recognition. And the demand for Vitality Works products grew. Today, Vitality Works is an industry leader producing the highest quality botanical, vitamin, and nutraceutical supplements and products, essential oils, and homeopathics from small and large companies around the globe. Vitality Works has created and manufactured product for almost 1,000 different brands around the world. Our 110,000 square foot facility on a 22-acre campus runs multiple shifts and is constantly expanding due to demand. Over 1 billion servings were produced in the past year alone. Our growth rate is 3 to 5 times higher than U.S. industry standards year after year. We're known for our commitment to quality, sourcing the very best ingredients from around the world, including the freshest herbs from organic farms and ethical, sustainable wild harvesters, testing 100% of our ingredients and finished products, and exceeding the strictest regulatory compliance standards. We are friendly stewards of the environment, as health is not only personal, it is also community and globally minded. We operate in an environmentally sustainable way, repurposing or recycling over 95% of our manufacturing waste, and saving millions of gallons of water each year with our xeriscaped facility. Our core values of stewardship, integrity, quality, and customer service ensure that we stay a healthy organization, doing the work we love to do with people we love to work with. We've also made a name for ourselves as an advocate for our industry and the consumer. Our proactive legislative involvement helps shape the industry and raises the bar for the quality of products available to our customers, and ensure a healthy industry for the next generation.
My passion for making healthy, natural products that help people is sincere and goes back to my early days in the clinic. We also get to support organic farmers around the world, influence legislation and regulations on a federal level, team up with many brands with products to maximize success, support our wonderful employees to do great work, and help people heal and stay healthy. How cool is that?